Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful crochet flower designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts you can see. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet flowers. New designs, new ideas. Easy pattern, knitted patterns. You can easily make these very beautiful flowers if you know crochet work. Simple and stylish flowers you can see. You can decorate your objects with the beautiful and stylish crochet flowers. If you want to buy these very beautiful flowers, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy crochet flowers decorated with beads and stones, stylish flowers, knitted patterns, new designs and ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.